How to fix Instagram story effects problem. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story effects problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, open the settings, go to apps, open the apps like this, and now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and after that you have to scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then go to this force stop option and click on it like this, and then go to the data usage and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data only, and then go to the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Instagram into the latest version on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.